Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue, all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. So first of all, you have just to open your browser and dive into System.io. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know what is System.io. So first, welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, so System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your businesses. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So here we have System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate our marketing, and that's it. So if we scroll down, we have here how to become an affiliate. So you scroll down here and you click over become an affiliate. Once you do that, you will find this page, which we have here over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. You have here earned 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. Strong affiliate tracking, open and simple rules. Anyone can be an affiliate. So here you write your email address, then you click return and start earning affiliate commissions, and you write other personal information and you get started with this dashboard. But before, let's know how you can get started as an affiliate. So the first step, we have you read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. The second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. The third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you will need to create content about System.io. And the last steps, access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. So this is how it works with System.io, and you have just to get started. So also we have here System.io. What is it? So it's a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. Build sales funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build websites, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. We have your System.io free plan. Get people to subscribe to our powerful free plan, and we will convert your leads into customers. Earn 60% lifetime recurring commissions if one of your referrals purchases a paid plan. You can just click over get started right now. So this is the dashboard, as you can see, or this is the home page. First of all, we have your upgrade. You have your 4 packages. As you can see, you have the freemium one. You don't have to pay anything per month. So then we have the startup one. You have to pay $27 per month. So this is his characters. And then we have here webinar, $47 per month, and this is how it looks. His characteristic contacts, sales funnels, blogs, courses, automation rules, workflows, tags, email campaigns, click upsell, order bumps, tests, coupon codes, and other things. Then we have here the last one, which is unlimited. You have to pay $97 per month, and it's unlimited here. And then we have here how you can get your payment gateways. We have Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, Razor Pay, we have Flutter, Wave, Molly, and other options. You can just connect with the one you have or the one you work with it. Then we have here products. So to create products, you have just to go to products and you choose the one you want, for example, orders, courses, communities, or physical products. I will choose the first one. Then you have just to click over create. Once you do that, you will have just to write your name, your description. So about the description, you have just to go to ChatGPT and you copy your description and you paste it here. Then we have here SKU here, product tags, currency, price, weight, inventory also, disable shipping fees for this product, stock limit value, and about the media you have just to download your photo on canva.com for example, and then you upload it here. Then we have options here. This product has options such as size or color. You write your option name, option values, then you can also add another option. Then you click over save. This is about the physical products. We have also courses here. You can just click over courses and you click over add a new course. Once you do that, you write your name, your domain, and your path here, and you choose here the one you want. Then you click over save. We have also here communities. You can just click over create, you write your name, your domain name, your path, and you automatic post approval. You choose between enabled and disabled, and you click over save. So this is how you can get started and create your products. Then we have here how you can create your sales funnels. So you go to sales funnels and you click over it, then you click over create and you write your create funnel by writing your name, your funnel domain, and you choose your funnel goal. For example, here we have of an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar, as you can see, and then we have currency here, and then you click over save and you get started again. So this is how it works with creating sales funnels and also creating products. So making money draw a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. So for instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses. Leveraging your expertise, subscription-based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So, earning money draw system requires a strategic approach tailored to your strengths and market demands, whether draw, affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models. The possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.